Hello everybody. Today I'm going to demonstrate something that I have been working on as VMFS. VMFS is Virtual Machine File System. So for this I'll be logging into my virtual environment using the web client. Using my administrator credentials, I'm logging in. Here if I go, when it loads up, if I go to stage. Okay, here this is my EXXI host. So if you want to rename the EXXI host, I can do it by going to rename and renaming it whatever the name that I would like to have. But right now I don't want to do that. Just want to show. Here at the data store. So if I go to the host again, host and clusters, and I go to manage storage storage adapters, and here you can see I have two LANs, LAN 0 and LAN 1. These are each 10 GB LANs. So using these LANs, I'm going to create my data stores. I'll be creating two data stores. So I will right click on my XSI host and go to create new data. Here it says the location. I click next, and on the types I want it to be a VMFS. Here I can name my data store. I'm naming it as a private VMFS-1 because I'm going to create two data stores, and I'm going to select one of the classes. So I'm going to go select the 0, and I'm going to press next, and I'm going to get the VMFS5. Here, although it's 10 GBs, I'm just going to make it 9 GBs so that I can see if I can increase it later on, and then I'll finish it. Here you can see that my VFS is created. So if I go to data store, I should have my private VFS, which is 9 GB. So you can see it's 8.75 GB. That means it's 9 GB approximately. So the same way I'm going to create another VFS. This is my second VMFS create. Here I have created the name as private VMFS-02, and as you can see I have only the LAN 1 to select, so I'm using the LAN 1, and again VMFS 5, and when it comes to storage I'm taking it full. So let me create the FS. Here in the corner you can see that it created. So if I go to my data storage rather, and I will have two data stores which have been created as private VMFS-01 and private VMFS-02. Now let me try to increase the size of this VMF. So we have to go for manage settings, increase. So you can see the same LAN 0 has been popped out. So I select and I go to next. And here when I select the free space, it shows only one. This is approximately 1 GB. So 1 GB space here. And I'll select next and finish. So this way I can increase the size of the data store using the same LAN. Now you can see that my LAN, the storage space capacity has gone up to 9.75, that is approximately 10 GB. Now let me see how I can delete a data store. So for that, I'm going to select the second one and right click on it. Go to all vCenter actions and then delete data store till question up. Then I say yes. So as you can see, it has been removed, and here we only have this. So now we have another LAN, so we have to see if we can add that LAN also to the same data store. So I'm going again to manage settings and increase here. So as you can see here, the LAN 1 has has got released from the previous data store, so it shows here as 10 GB LAN. So I select that, and when it comes to the capacity, I'm going to take all, that is 10 GB here. So next, and then you can see it's 10 GB plus 19, so it will be full 19.75 GB. Let's see. So you can see that it has my private VMS 01 has turned into 19.5 GB, that is almost 20 GB. Now, so you can say that many LANs can get connected and made a data store. And here it says still 01 here. I don't want it to have it 01 because it's there's no 02, so I'll rename it again. So I'll go to right click and rename. So here I'm going to rename it as VMFS ESXi 01, so that it's for the EXXi 01, this whole data store. So this is how you can manipulate and manage your data stores. I hope you enjoyed my video, and leave a comment if you like it. Thank you. Bye bye.